It is 4:30 a.m. We're waiting for a ride to the airport to go to Mexico.
Viva La Mexico.
I don't know. Okay, I got new shoes. My other ones have some holes in them. Ready to walk around. Got some sandals. I'm a rock star. Is it here? We arrived finally at Cozumel. We had the wedding on Saturday, boom, that happened. We did some stuff with family on Sunday, and then Monday I went to work, and then we had to pack and clean and get prepared to leave for our trip, which our flight left at 6 a.m. in the morning on Tuesday. So we woke up at 3:30, got an Uber by 4:30, we're at the airport by 5 something, and then now we're in Mexico. Why can I never find my face? We're on our honeymoon. And so what we're planning to do is just relax all this week. We're here for about a week. Relax, check out the island, eat, drink, you know, do all the things that people do on honeymoons, I suppose. But yeah, that's what we're doing. I think it might actually rain. Like, this is not looking, is it not raining already? It looks really cool just being by the water, but that water's bubbling. It looks like it's maybe storming or something, or a storm is coming this way. I don't know. Okay, bye. Hi.
Hey,
We made it.
first dinner in Cozumel.
We're gonna go out to dinner now and get into some trouble.
Tacos.
And get
Margaritas.
tacos and margaritas. Enjoy. So we're heading out. Okay, bye.
Louisa.
So we're here walking around. It's almost 11 a.m.
Looking like a couple of tourists.
We definitely look like tourists. I've seen US people from probably around local people and other kinds of people, but we definitely look like tourists, you know, which is okay, because we are. We're doing this. We're just sightseeing, looking at stuff, you know, enjoying not having anything scheduled, so. Okay.
Taking pictures.
Lots of pictures. I just keep seeing that baby in the green shirt on that phone. Went to one gift shop. Took us about 20 minutes to get to anything, but that's okay because we got some steps in.
Got a street beer.
What is that called?
I think Tecate.
He's learning Spanish too. Have you
Yeah,
learned any?
moment.
Yes, exactly. Have you learned any brand new words since you've been here?
Puerta means door or something like that.
Yeah. All right, bye.
Well, as you can see here, the economy is more like the stores, like they sell grilled meat here. So sometimes at 3-4 you see a huge line of grilled meat. This is our Mexican Walmart, Chedraui. So, Chedraui. It's like a Walmart. So if you want, for example, a laundry machine, but at the same time you want to buy some dresses, but at the same time you want to buy some fish, that's where you go to Chedraui. This is gonna be our first stop. This is what we are going to do first.
Yeah.
So if you next time you don't need me, I highly recommend to come here for.
Is there any lodging over here, or is it all on the east side of the?
What is that?
Is there a hotel over
Oh,
here?
just that one that you see.
Okay.
It's the only one that we have in all the East, man.
Okay.
But the funny thing is that after 7 p.m. you cannot get out of your hotel because taxis cannot come after 7 p.m. here.
So you just come to Coconuts and that's it?
That's it, pretty much.
Yeah.
And you do your things at morning, you know?
Yeah.
We're off-roading.
Mm-hmm. Into the jungle.
Yummy food. Yummy food. I'm
Yeah,
hungry. I'm hungry.
Yeah, we're gonna eat soon.
But the only thing that I know you can eat from the crocodile or alligator is the tail.
Is that right? I didn't know what they use for the meat. I didn't know.
Yeah, the tail. Because only the tail has meat. All the other thing is like the iguana, man, like a lizard.
There's a crocodile over there.
Don't go out.
Don't go out. Yeah, don't get out.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay safe. Nice teeth, Mr. Crocodile.
Yeah.
We're gonna keep continue.
Yeah. So this is what's called like what kind of the land is this called? The marsh?
Jungle or
or swamp?
It's already
This is all real.
So these are ancient Mayan ruins. Don't leave me. We gotta watch out for crocodiles. I'm scared. The agave plant, is that what that is? The agave? I'm scared. I don't know what you're talking about.
Walking in the Mayan ruins of Cozumel Jungle.
Weird.
The funny thing is this: tequila, plantain, avocados. You know who is responsible for the pollination?
Bats?
The bats.
What?
See those little bats? Look at them.
Where?
Over my head, are they? You see them? They're looking at us? Are they asleep?
They used to put their things, man.
Yeah.
Actually, the places like these too, they used to help as storage for grains,
Yeah.
cocoa and corn. Why the cocoa and corn were the most important grains? Cocoa because
Yeah, the coral. So this is coral that were underneath. I said this is coral that were underneath. Oh, where are those bats? Have we walked past them?
I think most of the ones over here flew away. So that one chilling.
Hanging out, chilling.
the culture of African
Yeah.
culture, the American culture is not a bat. It's
Yeah.
actually a synonymous of strength.
Yeah.
The snake. What happened, ma'am? I wish you can help me with looking your face like this.
Okay.
Okay, so I can take a picture of you both looking.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, hang on.
Side by side. Side by side.
In the cave. I was scared. We're on. I keep hearing things. I don't know where it is. A lizard.
There's iguanas here. You gotta watch out to get it. Down over there so you can see it right there.
Every time I turn my back, I feel like I hear something. We're on a tour. We took a day tour.
In the middle of the Cozumel jungle is a ranch. I guess this is a ranch, but it seems more like a rave spot.
He made us some really good margaritas. I drank some tequila earlier that I don't know about. We saw some caves. We saw some ruins. We saw a crocodile. We saw a lizard. There's a lot of adventuring out here. I was kind of scared sometimes. I'm like, ooh, nothing. There's ocelots out here.
Yeah, I saw it. Like a big cat.
We were an archer one time. That's why I know about ocelots. One time was an ocelot for Halloween. It was pretty out here. You know, a lot of nature.
No
Drinks.
cell service.
I don't like alcohol, but this is good. This margarita is good.
I'm not very strong. So the alcohol, tequila must be very good, or not very much light in there.
A little bit of column A, a little bit of column B. This lizard is coming back. Hold this, hold this, hold this, hold this.
Put on camp shit. It's coming in the room.
The lizard is trying to hold his line.
You have the video, you gotta put that in on it. Yeah. And when they come in the gate,
I should just turn around and start coming for us.
what would you do? Let it
I would run. I would throw this thing on the floor and run.
run? Throw the camera at it.
Like, damn! Go sell this. We met in 2019.
2000 plus 19.
November, so 2020 November, 2021 November, 2022. Next month will make it 3 years.
Already married.
Already married. We're very efficient. How have we changed in 3 years?
Yeah, I mean, quite a lot since 2019.
What's one?
How do we summarize it?
I don't wear makeup anymore. That's one thing. Shane.
You don't wear makeup at all anymore?
Not at all. I'm just around the house.
Right.
Because before when we first met, every time I go to your house, I would dress up. I mean, not like dress up, but you know.
Mm-hmm.
And I had makeup on. No, I don't.
I still don't wear makeup. It's not new for me. I didn't wear makeup then, and I wear it now. When we first met, I was 320 pounds. Now I'm 250 pounds. My plan was to get super fat and meet a woman and make sure she could fall in love with me while I was fat. Then I knew she would love me no matter what I looked like.
And then he started losing weight. I'm like, well, how do you know I wasn't attractive, just fat? How do you know?
Well,
How do you know? And I'm like, why are you losing all this weight? I'm kidding.
well, my booty didn't get smaller, so she stayed with me.
No, I always loved you for the inside and the outside, and the inside and the outside.
When we first met, I was a blue belt in jiu-jitsu, and I'm a purple belt.
No.
You were team lead, now you're director.
I was
So a grown
manager.
professional.
I was manager.
Or
now I'm
you're- sorry,
director.
manager.
Come correct. Put some respect.
So you only
on
had,
my
I thought
name.
you've had 2 promotions since we met.
No, just the one. We're out here on our tour with Arturo. It's been pretty cool.
We're staying on the west side of Cozumel where the resorts are. Now we're on the east side where the beaches are. And we're in the middle of the jungle.
Yeah, can you tell? Jungle shot.
Things more like a forest than a jungle.
I was scared. I was really scared for a minute there because when we started going off road, I'm like, this is a new business. He just started this business 5 months ago. You guys can't guarantee me there's nothing that's gonna eat me out here in these woods. And if anything happens, no one's gonna even feel bad for me because they're like, why did she go in the woods in the first place? Why did she go in the jungle in the first place? It's so random.
Now it's cooking for us. We're gonna have guacamole and I don't know what else, tacos, salsa,
Yeah,
chips,
yeah. We eat all the foods.
pineapples.
Yeah. It really feels like the sun is going down. Like you can watch it and it feels like it's moving.
I think oasis is what you see in the desert or something that's not really there.
I passed out. I drank those 2 margaritas, and on the drive back, I passed out, mouth open, passed out. And then I came here and sat on this chair,
Yeah, keep shooting the video. I'll show you something.
and then passed out, open mouth. There were 2 margaritas. What is that? Did you take pictures? Is my mouth open? The mouth was closed.
We smashed a bunch of food.
We ate a bunch of food and I drank those 2 margaritas. Margaritas are fucking delicious. I'm like, there's alcohol in this. This is fucking delicious. Walk around peeing on the road out in the bush.
Oh yeah, let me show you that picture. I'm just kidding.
I'm about to say, you better not. I had to pee outside, but you know, it worked out.
Oh, look at it, sun's about down.
Oh, the sun's about to go. Wow. Bye, sun.
I don't know if I've ever actually watched the sunset.
That's what I'm saying. I didn't know it goes so quickly, though. Like, you think the sun moves very slowly, but
It looks way cooler over the ocean, and you know, it happens in Minnesota over some trees.
it really looks, because it was, yeah, it's wild how that happens. So we're going to watch that. Okay, bye.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
That is a B-A-B.
Disney cruiser. Disney Mickey Mouse thing.
Big ass boat. Mega. This is like their Walmart. We're doing the bubble test to find out what we learned on the tour is true or not.
If it has
About
white
good
bubbles, that
tequila.
means it's not good tequila. It's just when it's white bubbles.
Are we sure that that's what it is though? Yeah, Schmiggy's Excursion. Shout out to Schmiggy's Excursions, Arturo.
Great dude.
He said a lot of stuff.
Yeah, the tour guide said he doesn't scam people because he wants repeat business, and it's going to work for him. My boss referred us to him, and he's referred other people, and if we come back or anybody who comes here, we'll tell them go to Schmiggy's Excursions.
We got ripped off just once so far.
Yep. And I go in there, and the owner saw me as a tourist and took advantage of me.
He said that one right there.
I asked for 2 dozen beers, and he gave me 1 dozen, but he charged me for 2 dozen.
He forgot to put them in there.
No, he didn't. He might have. I mean, he was counting them right. Whatever. I was kind of drunk because we drank like 4 margaritas and 4 beers for
Those
lunch.
margaritas were delicious.
Yeah. So, here's what it is.
It's a good lesson.
Good lesson.
What did we learn yesterday? He took us to see some caves,
Yeah.
some underground Mayan stuff,
Artifacts,
artifacts, yeah. Ruins.
ruins. A bunch of bats were flying around.
Yeah, there's bats in there. Can you believe my head was by a bat? Crazy. I didn't know what we were gonna do. I knew we were gonna do a tour.
Yeah, I didn't know we were going to the jungle where we saw crocodile and caves.
We saw a crocodile like less than 50 feet from us, just chilling. And it was crazy. Well, it was great. It was a great experience. I'm glad that we did it though, so I can say I was actually in the jungle. I told the restaurant man the second or third day, I was like, I'm not getting in the water. And I thought he felt maybe a little bit of personally offended that I was
You
like,
have to.
I'm like, I'm not getting in the ocean. I'm not going in the water. Get out of here.
Second largest coral reef to the Great Barrier Reef in Australia.
That's correct. That's why they bring people out here to look at the coral reefs. That's why the water's so blue, is because of the coral reefs. Diving, because of the coral reefs.
Yeah.
So there's that.
We
So
probably won't go see it because we're not scuba divers and we're, we're avid indoors people.
they basically have one economy, and that's tourism. It's a small island, Cozumel, a small island that he said 1948.
That's when it became part of Mexico. I'd like to maybe go on a boat and look at the water, but I can see
Yeah.
water great from our condo, so.
Yeah, we said we're gonna get on the boat and just get on the boat maybe this week, but probably not get in the ocean unless it's the pool one right behind where we're staying. So we'll see.
Right.
It's gorgeous out here. They got us waiting for our table for them to open. It's very hard to tell how pretty it is just by showing on the camera, but you got horizon and the water. You got sun going down over there.
Waves crashing.
You got waves that's crashing. Palm trees, coconut trees. You got the wind in your hair. You got Bucano sign, cruise ship.
Look at my hair waving in the wind. Look at it.
I'll Photoshop some spaghetti flying over here as the wind. I think it's gonna be so windy you can't hear anything. Wow, the sun's really setting over there. I'm thinking of all the things that start with M. Matchu. Mojito, margarita, Mexico. Can you imagine, you guys? I got a mojito in Mexico off that bread. It's so freaking good. I can't believe my luck in life. Wasn't that bread delicious?
Incredible. Which one? This?
Yum. No, the we just had a delicious meal.
You got the surf and turf burger.
I had surf and turf burger, which was thick. The bread was
Thick burger plus a thick piece of lobster plus guacamole, bread.
and french fries and onion rings. I'm stuffed
I had
like a
lobster
penguin.
cheese mac ravioli. Lobster cheese ravioli.
Your lobster was, I think, lighter, and that's what I imagine a lobster to be, like light, and mine was attached to the burger, like ha. Look at this one. You have to paint a picture of me though.
You want me to?
Yes.
Okay.
Just freaking delicious. And I took some home.
Thank you. Okay, that's the taxi kids. Bye.
Bye. Thank you. You want me to get your back?
Maybe it back again is because we're just going to.
We're gonna get in the water in the on the steps.
Yeah.
Do you want to get in the steps, on?
Steps one.
Remember the steps that go into the ocean?
Yeah, we should at least dip our toes in.
I'm scared. Ocean water right here in this pool. And you go down here. You're not gonna let go and swim?
I think so.
I don't know. You're in it now. Come back right now. Did it feel like it was taking you away? White tees and Nikes. It's twinning day.
White tees
White
and
tees.
Vans.
I decided to match today. He wore that first. And I said, I brought a white t-shirt too. We can match.
We're that couple right now.
Yes, but
We're that
we matched
touristy
the
couple.
benches. We matched the clouds. Look at that. We matched those white buildings over there. We're gonna go eat breakfast, then go to the museum to continue to learn about the history of Cozumel. What has been your favorite part so far of the escapades?
Food's been very good. Everywhere we ate, I've had really great food. The sunset dinner, Bucanos.
Oh, that was gorgeous.
The Mayan jungle was cool.
Things keep biting my legs though, that's the one downside.
Big one.
All right, talk to you later. Bye. We're gonna pop a bottle of bubbly.
It's a celebration. It's a honeymoon celebration.
Celebrate. Okay. Shandong.
Shandong.
Is that what they say, Shandong? I always thought Shandong and Shandong.
I think Shandon. Shandong. Yeah.
Shandong Perignon.
It has to come from Champagne, France, for it to
Really?
be officially Champagne.
That is
Shandong.
news
Shandong is in California.
Pour it up, pour it up, pour it up, pour it up.
Ready?
Okay. Pocket champagne.
To
Cheers
you, my wife.
to my husband.
Cheers to you. Thanks for coming with us on this journey.
I don't know who these people are though.
Whoever you are, maybe Alita.
Maybe Alita,
Maybe
perhaps.
we should name them by names.
Okay, bye. Also, Dora the Explorer, I climb in the jungle.
Yeah, bring that back.
I have backpack.
Backpack.
Oh, I forgot to put bug spray on. Damn it, something keeps biting me. Biting all of my legs and my body, and I keep forgetting because it's so nice outside that I come outside. I forget to put bug spray on. Matt is getting real good at hailing taxis now. We just had dinner at Hemingway's. It's delicioso.
Yeah, tacos and some spicy salsa.
Some juicy
Some
tacos.
guacamole.
It's freaking delicious.
You had a salad?
Had a salad. I'm taking it light, you know. It's not every day. Heavy. I've been full since we landed.
I know, my stomach hurts.
We got Sunday and Monday two full days, and then Tuesday we head out at Tuesday afternoon. Maybe try to catch music at the square. Other than that,
That's it. Chill at the pool.
shut the pool, which we're real good at by now.
Pretty much empty. We have to get some more.
Get properly protected as much as you can. You haven't burned yet, so that's good. You can't see it right now because it's all, aha. It looks like a postcard, like you just walk in here. The last day here, it's Sunday, we're leaving on Tuesday. So we're gonna go out and get lunch somewhere, walk around some more, drink some more, and then maybe get souvenirs. Walking around after a delicious meal. We ate ceviche for the first time and some shrimp tacos and some fish tacos and some chips and dips and some fish sauce.
Guacamole.
Guacamole. But I'm lit, man. I can barely walk.
She had one margarita.
The weather's nice. You're cute. Woo!
Just one margarita.
I had a seltzer and that margarita and some other libations. And now I feel like I can barely walk. I guess we're gonna buy souvenirs and go check out the square and just kind of enjoy being out and about, I guess. Look at my shot. Baby, this is a small shot though.
Yeah, well, I mean, I don't know if it's small to most people. If to you, I think it's a lot of alcohol.
How much is in a drink, a mixed drink? That much?
1 ounce.
I don't know, that's an ounce though. Of course I'm not gonna want more. It tastes disgusting.
My wife is about to take her first shot since we've been married.
That's not true. Oh, is it?
Wendell, I don't remember you taking one. It's a shot of 1800 tequila. She's chasing it with some kind of red juice. She looked like she liked that. That's the face of enjoyment. So how do you feel?
I feel fine.
So you do another one?
Yes.
Pour it up. No, do it.
Why?
Because it takes a little while to hit you. You can't just do another shot back to
Can I
back.
bring a shot with me?
I mean, I'll buy you a shot at the bar. You can have more juice, no more tequila. Oop, see? You're already drunk.
I kept telling myself that I was gonna get in the water, the actual ocean water. So I'm gonna do it. I wanna get in the actual ocean water. He said, yeah, right.
I didn't say that, right?
Okay, he didn't say that. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get in the Caribbean Sea and I'm gonna doggy paddle in the water and I'm not gonna get my hair wet.
They have shower caps in there we could put.
Where?
In the bathroom.
Yeah.
You don't know your dad, but
I bought this today because I was obsessed with buying souvenirs. I bought so many souvenirs for people. Ooh, interesting kind of shower cap. I don't know what this is. It just covers the top?
it's about as much as you're gonna get. It's all the coverage you get.
I don't know. Well, we'll see. I'm gonna still get in the water anyways because it's just hair, right? It's worth it to get in the Caribbean Sea though, right? To have
Once
my
in a lifetime opportunity, maybe. We may never come back.
We may never come back. We gotta come
We're
back.
planning on
Mexico.
coming back, but we don't know for sure.
We was gonna come back and see Arturo. Okay. All right, I'll see you at the beach. Meet me at the pool. Bye. I'm so freaking scared to get in this water, man. But I'm gonna try to get in this water, man. I'm so freaking scared. We decided to go crazy on sushi in Mexico. Whoa, that's a lot.
That's one order, right? Good thing
That's
I
one
got
order.
one.
Good thing, or we would have had too many. You know what's freaking hilarious? We ordered all this sushi, and look at how many chopsticks they gave us. They gave us 2, 4, 6, 8. They said the sushi has to be for 8 people. It can't possibly be for 2 people. Surprise!
It's for 2.
LMFAO.
So I'm sitting in our honeymoon.
It's our honeymoon. We're gonna go back to reality tomorrow.
The reality, back to paying bills, back to... We gotta like figure out our health insurance for next year.
We have a new passport, new ID, new license, all that stuff.
Whole new life, whole new
A
identity.
hyphenated name now.
37 letter last name.
It's very long. I'm somebody's wife now.
9 plus what?
It's crazy.
5,
Is yours
14.
9?
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. See y'all. I changed my mind. I am getting in the water. I'm gonna try. I need my trusty pool noodles for this to work.
This is it. Just getting in the Caribbean Sea. No turning back. Out into the great open sea.
See any sharks, let me know.
Okay. You gotta let go, you gotta let go. Oh, she's doing it. I think so. I mean, it wasn't.
Goodbye, paradise. It's nice to get to know you for a little bit. We're about to go back. We're gonna head to the airport. We're gonna have to get tacos first, and then we're gonna go to the airport. Look at my Umaiha t-shirt representing for Umaiha, Minnesota. You can't really see it that well. You